Hey, it's Gabrielle, and today we are making chicken tortilla soup. I like to add potatoes to this recipe. Check out the grocery list, get your things, and let's get started. This video is in partnership with Tefal Cookware. I use this cookware. I'm excited to tell you and show you about it more. First, I'm gonna start out chopping up some onion and garlic. Any good soup is starting with onion and garlic. Then I'm going to peel some russet potatoes, just some plain potatoes. Peel them, and then I'm also gonna chop those up into nice sized pieces that would be in a soup. Just keep that in mind. Also gonna chop up some fresh herbs, cilantro. You need fresh cilantro for this, absolutely. Now I'm gonna season some chicken breasts on just the front and back, just cause that's what we gotta do. I am using the Tefal cookware for this video. I love their pots and pans. It's so just non-stick, super easy to make soups, chowders, greens. Whatever you put in a pot, you can put it in this one. Really good cookware. Shameless plug. I'm gonna saute basically everything that I just chopped up. We're gonna start that off and we're gonna saute that in some oil. And of course, again, we're seasoning at every step, salt and pepper, adding some cumin and just different spices that give me that chicken tortilla feel. I'm gonna cook the potatoes and onions and everything down for a few minutes. And then I know it's weird, it looks weird. I'm adding the raw chicken breast and chicken stock to this. I know it's weird, but it's not. I guarantee you're gonna submerge the chicken into that stock. And after about 20 to 25 minutes, the chicken is literally cooking in the stock, the potatoes, all the seasonings. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna shred it. Your chicken is all the way cooked though. See, I know it's a little weird, but just rock with it. I'm gonna shred up that chicken, and as you can see, it's all cooked. So we're gonna chop that up, shred it, whatever you wanna do. I like to shred chicken for soup. I don't know, I just feel like shredded chicken in soup is a nicer mouthfeel. I don't know, is that a thing? Yeah, okay, that's a thing. To that, I am adding some black beans just because I love black beans, and also some tomatoes. You can either use diced tomatoes or crushed tomatoes. I haven't put the chicken back in, but you can just add the black beans and tomatoes. And now we put the chicken back in. It really doesn't matter though. You could really do it all in one. This soup is one of those just pot recipes where you can throw everything in there, especially after the chicken is done cooking. Gonna give that a little stir, and I'm gonna let this blend for a little bit. Not blend, just simmer, do its thing on the stove. I'm adding some fresh lime juice. Again, I'm getting chicken tortilla vibes, so I love lime. So I'm gonna do a squeeze of one lime, and then I am adding my cilantro just to give my soup some aroma, some perfume, some character. Love adding fresh herbs to just give some personality to whatever you're cooking. In my Tefal skillet, I am going to fry up some tortilla chips real quick. Again, it's chicken tortilla soup. We gotta have fresh tortillas. You're going to literally just put corn tortillas in a skillet already sliced up, and you're gonna fry them in oil. And you'll see them start to get brown, start to rotate them. And that, my friends, is the tortillas for the soup. You can garnish your soup however you like. I like using avocado. Hello, California. The California has rubbed off on me. Gonna add some avocado to that. And then on top of my soup, I like to garnish with sour cream, cheeses, cilantro, the tortilla chips, all of the above. I hope that you love This chicken tortilla potato soup recipe is super hearty for the fall and winter. Again, I'm using Tefal cookware. Peace, love, and good food to you. I will see you next time. Enjoy and happy cooking.